X-ray generator. X-ray generator is a device that supplies electric power to X-ray tube. It is not an electrical generator in the strict sense of word, we can say, because by a definition we can say generator क्या करता है, it will convert the mechanical energy into electrical energy. So most of the radiology departments have 3-phase supply of 230 volt. X-ray generator convert this energy to meet the needs of an X-ray tube. So as you can see, tube requires electrical energy for 2 reasons. वो दो कौन कौन से रीज़न है? One is to boil electrons from an filament, and the other is to accelerate these electrons from cathode to anode. X-ray generator has 3 circuits. One is filament circuit, this one is filament circuit, this is high voltage circuit, and there is a timer mechanism that will regulate the length of exposure. So all these are interrelated with each other. Mechanism of X-ray generator. There are 2 separate compartments. One is control panel, the other is a transformer assembly. So this is a control panel. Control panel किस लिए यूज़ होता है? It is to select the appropriate KVP, MA and exposure time for the radiographic examination. So these are the meters. Meter will actually what it will measure? It will measure the actual MA and KVP during the exposure. Second component जो है main, that is a transformer. Transformer assembly is grounded in a metal box that is filled with oil and has 2 circuits. So low voltage circuit, that is called filament circuit, and high voltage circuit, that is a group of rectifiers for there is a group of rectifiers for high voltage circuit. Transformer and rectifiers is immersed in oil, and oil, it is served as insulator. So it prevents the sparking between the various components. So this is a transformer. This device, that is the device that will either increase or decrease the voltage in a circuit. And these are the rectifiers that change alternating current into the direct current. So transformer, X-ray generator के पास it receives 115 to 230 volt alternating current. बट फिलामेंट को जो है फिलामेंट को हीटिंग के लिए कितना पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस चाहिए? 10 वोल्ट का पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस चाहिए. सो 10 वोल्ट चाहिए इसको. बट द इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेलरेशन के लिए फ्रॉम द फिलामेंट टू एनोड it needs the potential difference of 40,000 or 150,000 volt. So transformer क्या करता है? It changes the potential difference of incoming electrical energy to the appropriate level to fulfill this need of X-ray. Is about now the potential and potential difference. What is potential and what is potential difference? As you can see, earth क्या है? It is at a zero potential, means zero charge. Point in circuit with this point is a excess of electron, that is called negative, and this point has deficiency of electron, that is called positive potential. If one point has like 10 volt, this is 10 volt this point में, and the other point, that is the positive potential, has 10 volt. So potential difference कितना हो गया दोनों के बीच में? It is 20 volt. So electrons, they tend to move towards the potential, negative to positive. So the flow of electrons, it represents the current. So when electron will flow from negative to positive, this flow of current, flow of charge of electrons, it is called current, that is produced by the potential difference. Voltmeter. Now what is voltmeter? Voltmeter is used to measure potential difference between two points. तो दो पॉइंट्स के बीच में जो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस को मेजर करने के लिए मेजर करता है, मतलब इस पॉइंट को इस पॉइंट से इस पॉइंट के बीच का जो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस मेजर होता है, दिस डिवाइस इज यूज्ड टू मेजर द वोल्टेज. सो टर्म वोल्टेज एंड पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस दोनों ही इंटरचेंजेबल है. वी कैन से वोल्टेज और वी कैन से पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. ओके, सो वोल्टमीटर इज ऑफ टू टाइप्स. ठीक है, it is divided into two types. Voltmeter is divided into two types on the basis of supply or on the basis of display. So on the basis of supply, again it divided into two parts. Supply is AC or DC, and display में also we can say that analog display होता है या इसमें, या फिर क्या होता है इसमें, डिजिटल डिस्प्ले होता है. एनालॉग डिस्प्ले में क्या होता है कि ये पॉइंटर जो आपका है ये मूव करता है क्रॉस द स्केल इन प्रोपोर्शन टू पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. जितना पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस ज़्यादा होगा ये उतना ही मूव करेगा. डिजिटल में क्या है, इट इज़ डिजिटली यू कैन सी दैट इट गिव्स द न्यूमेरिकल डिस्प्ले ऑफ द वोल्टेज लाइक 12.3 या 40 वोल्टेज. ठीक है, न्यूमेरिक्स नंबर्स देगा. सो it will work by use of analog to digital converter.